Hey YouTube, Mr. TechBoss here. In this video, I'm gonna compare the flagship killer OnePlus 8 Pro and the one of the best flagship phone, which is iPhone 11 Pro Max. In this video, I'm gonna make a small change. The change is which phone has a better feature. I'll give a point for that phone, and at last we can check which phone has got the most point. The phone which has got more point is the phone which has added more feature to that. If you are new to this channel, please consider subscribing and hit the bell icon. Lots more are coming. So let's begin the video. iPhone 11 Pro Max is 7 mm smaller than the OnePlus 8 Pro, and its width is 3 mm smaller than OnePlus 8 Pro, and 0.4 mm thickness is smaller than the OnePlus 8 Pro. So it is, when we check, the phone is smaller than the OnePlus 8 Pro. We all want the thickness smaller and the height and also width. So 1.1 for the iPhone 11 Pro Max. When it comes to the weight, OnePlus 8 Pro weighs 199 gram, whereas the iPhone 11 Pro Max weighs 226 gram. So OnePlus 8 Pro is lightweighted than iPhone 11 Pro. So we all love to have less weighted phone than more weighted phone. So OnePlus 8 Pro gets 1 point. So now the point is tied for iPhone 11 Pro Max got 1 point, and the OnePlus 8 Pro has also got the 1 point. Both the phone have IP68 dust and water resistance, so there is no point for this one. When it comes to the display of OnePlus 8 Pro is Fluid AMOLED capacitive touchscreen 1 billion color for the OnePlus 8 Pro. iPhone 11 Pro Max have Super Retina XDR OLED capacitive touchscreen 16M color. So 16M color means RGB can be shown in 16 million colors, where the OnePlus 8 Pro has 1 billion colors. So RGB can be shown in 1 billion different colors. So the point goes to OnePlus 8 Pro because it shows one RGB in 1 billion different colors. So it's a feature for mobile. And when it comes to the display, 6.78 inches display is for OnePlus 8 Pro, and 6.5 inches display is for iPhone 11 Pro Max. So the display size is larger than iPhone 11 Pro Max. So the point goes to the iPhone 11 Pro Max. I know most of you love large screen and most of us love the small screen. Which one do you like? Comment below. So the next is screen resolution. OnePlus 8 Pro is 1440 into 3116 pixels, and its pixel density is 513 pp density. And when it comes to the iPhone 11 Pro Max, its display resolution is 1248 into 2688 pixels. Its pixel density is 458. So the pixel density and the resolution is more for the OnePlus 8 Pro. So 1 point for the OnePlus 8 Pro. When it comes to the screen refresh rate, OnePlus 8 Pro refreshes the screen at 120 Hz, and the iPhone 11 Pro Max refreshes the display at 60 Hz. So the point goes to OnePlus 8 Pro. The OnePlus 8 Pro has the OS Android 10, Oxygen OS 10, and the iPhone 11 Pro Max have iOS 13, which can be upgraded to iOS 13.4. The chipset of OnePlus 8 Pro is Snapdragon 865, and the iPhone 11 Pro Max have A13 Bionic chip. So when it comes to the chipset, the Snapdragon 865 has more feature than the A13 Bionic. It supports 5G and it can shoot the video at 8K. So A13 Bionic chip does not have these features. So the 1 point goes to the OnePlus 8 Pro. The CPU of OnePlus 8 Pro is octa-core, and the GPU is Adreno 650. When it comes to iPhone 11 Pro Max, the CPU is hexa-core and the GPU is Apple GPU. When it comes to CPU and GPU, it's better for Apple than the OnePlus 8 because it performs better than the Snapdragon chip. So the point goes to 2 point goes to Apple. The storage starts from 128 GB to the max of 256 GB in OnePlus 8 Pro, and iPhone 11 Pro starts from 64 GB to the max of 512 GB, and the RAM is 8 GB to 12 GB in OnePlus 8 Pro, and Apple have 4 GB RAM with NVMe. The OnePlus 8 Pro has UFC 3.0. When it comes to camera, OnePlus 8 Pro have quad camera and the iPhone have triple camera. The main camera is 48 megapixel and 8 megapixel telephoto, 48 megapixel ultra wide and 5 megapixel depth is there for the OnePlus 8 Pro, and 12 MP main camera, 12 MP telephoto and 12 MP ultra wide camera are there for the iPhone 11 Pro Max. I can't give a point for this feature because I don't have the phone. If I had phone, I can shoot the photo and I can show you which camera is better than one another. So I'm not giving the point for this feature. When it comes to the video, the both phone can shoot 4K video. OnePlus 8 Pro can shoot 4K video at 3060 frame per second and HD video at 3060 240 frame per second, whereas the iPhone 11 Pro Max can shoot 4K video at 24, 30 and 60 frame per second and HD video at 30, 60, 120 and 240 frame per second. The OnePlus 8 Pro has a punch hole design camera which is 16 MP, and the iPhone 11 Pro Max have dual camera at the front. It's 12 MP and a SL3D depth and biometric scanner in the front. The OnePlus 8 Pro can shoot HD video at 30 frames per second in the front camera, whereas the iPhone 11 Pro Max can shoot 4K at 24, 30 and 60 frames per second and HD video at 30, 60 and 120 frames per second. Both the phone has stereo speakers. Now it comes to the battery mAh. Let's check which phone has got more battery power. The OnePlus 8 Pro has got 4510 mAh battery, and the iPhone have got 3969 mAh battery. So the battery is more for the OnePlus, so that you can use more time in OnePlus than the iPhone. So the point goes to OnePlus 8 Pro. When it comes to the fast charging, the iPhone can fast charge at 18 watt, whereas the OnePlus 8 Pro can charge at 30 watt. So that's a feature that goes to the point goes to OnePlus 8 Pro. And the OnePlus 8 Pro has got one more feature, which is fast wireless charging at 30 watt. So that's a new feature for the phone, and the point goes to that phone. And the OnePlus 8 Pro has won. The OnePlus 8 Pro has given 4 more extra features than the iPhone 11 Pro Max. So when it comes to the price, in United States you can get OnePlus 8 Pro from the starting price of $899 to the max of $999. And when it comes to UK, the price starts from £799 to £899 the max. And the iPhone 11 Pro Max starts from $1,099 in US to the max of $1,449. And the price of iPhone 11 Pro Max in UK is £1,149 starting, and the max of £1,499 is the max of iPhone 11 Pro Max. So both the phones are better. Now it's not fair to compare a phone which has released in 2019. This OnePlus 8 Pro was released on 14th April 2020. So, but the iPhone is one of the best top flagship phone. So that's why I compared with this OnePlus 8 Pro. So if you are an Apple fan, don't worry, the Apple is gonna launch iPhone 11 12. Let's check. Then that's the fair game when we check the phones which have released on 2020. Both the phones will be released on 2020. So let's wait till that. If you have enjoyed this video, please subscribe to my channel. Don't forget to hit the bell icon also. My name is Saifuddin. This is Mr. Tech Boss. Catch you in my next video.